I'm gonna try not to repeat what I did last trip I was here with the green car, but it's not looking good for me these days with this thing.
This is a lot of power for this small of a chassis. I gotta figure something out, maybe reset something up after this, because this is kind of a wake-up call. But here we go. All right, got the rig, Dave. We're gonna go tune in.
after that little scary incident?
I gotta stop.
Yeah?
Stop.
Scary, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
I didn't think I was making that one.
Yeah, bro. I'm surprised you pulled out of that. Good driving, though. Hey, you almost lost your life because of a tiny, cheap little tie rod.
The sketchiest non-crash I've ever seen.
The sketchiest non-crash that has ever happened. Hey, but did you die?
I didn't die.
You didn't die. Dude, did you soil yourself?
I gotta go collect some parts.
Yep. You got so out of shit, Matt. You lost a belt out of the back of the car, not the clutch.
That was just my spare belt.
It came out of the seat, bro.
It was my spare belt on the floor.
Look how far that thing went.
That was on the floor.
Bro.
That's how bad it went that it went out. It was on the floor.
You stood it straight up on one wheel, stayed in it, tipped to the other wheel, down to the front, and then bounced the rear up off the ground and still kept it on one or two wheels at one time.
I don't see any tracks.
Well, you see the intermittent track.
It's that track. So it's this one right here. You can see it. Look at it.
Yeah, so
Not even
dent.
touching ground right here.
Well, dent there. So look up way up high.
Look at this.
So front wheel, back wheel, whatever you want to call this.
Really, like my whole car came off the ground like 30 feet worth.
Yeah, this is where you lifted and came off and landed on.
I lifted right there, dude.
Oh, you're right. Holy cow.
Look at this mark.
Oh yeah, you did. Dude, it looks like a canoe went through here.
I came off right here. Left tire hit, then right tire, then left tire, and then right tire again. Over here, you're looking around right over there. See the digs?
Dude, you were sideways the whole time too.
Well, yeah, those are like sideways digs.
Jumped and pogo sticked it.
That was insane. And you came past me getting all squirrely. It's my fault.
You got ahead of me, so I was like, shit.
Yeah, blame me for your heavy ass foot. It's Sean's fault for giving you too much power, huh?
It's my fault for being an idiot.
Hey, like they say, did you die?
I didn't die.
You live again to do it again.
I gotta stop.
You gotta stop. Hey, it's a drug.
It's almost every freaking weekend now.
It's a drug.
I almost wreck that thing every week.
Well, when you put that much power in that little ass chassis,
and I should have stuck to a 4-seater.
Should have stuck to a 4-seater.
Can't handle the 2-seat game.
It's okay. It takes time. You can't just wheelie it right out of the shop. Well, you did, and that's what happens.
So here's our issue here. We got smoked the tie rod there. So I guess we just got to swap the tie rod.
But you rubbed here. Well, that's the problem. You rubbed. That's what caused it all.
It's all the rubbing
That was all
fault.
plastics. Polaris, you
Plastic's fault. Polaris, I want a new car.
This is not a wheelie car.
This does a wheelie. It's supposed to wheelie.
No rubbage there.
So it just didn't rub on that. So that's why the car plastics are farther forward on the left side. That's the issue.
Yeah.
The car's out of square. It's just not.
It's not square.
Car's out of square. You're probably right. Because it came off Sean's fucking wreck jig.
Yeah, it probably is.
So we're just out cruising around, right? Hanging out. We all made it back. We all beat Dallin back finally. Oh, there he is. Hey, what the hell happened to your tire? Now something's wrong with your car. I don't think you're supposed to be like that. You can't even turn. You can't turn anymore. Hey, I don't think your tires are supposed to look like that.
Won't turn.
Won't turn.
I couldn't even turn.
Hey,
anymore.
but you tuned it back.
I didn't do it back.
You tuned it back on your own power.
I didn't do it back.
Yes, we did.
How's your back feel after that?
Dude, it's fine. I mean, I got MTS, so it don't matter. We got this.
Big shout out to Side by Side Outlet in Idaho Falls, Brad Furnace. I called every dealership around here. No one had a tie rod. We're right next to the sand dunes. Nobody. I was really surprised. I don't know. I don't understand it. You have a side by side business and you don't have tie rods. They were the only ones that had one. So good job, Side by Side Outlet. Thank you. They did not give us to free, but thank you for getting this and having it in stock. If we're out here, dude, we'll pay an ungodly amount of money to have our stuff fixed. So we're gonna put this on the rape date, and sad deal is it's actually not going on the rape date because someone else smoked their tie rod, and when you have two cars, what do you know, your car turns into a parts car. A little bummed, not gonna lie, but want my buddies to be able to ride. So here we go. This is going to Joe now.
Ball socket won't move.
It's got to.